Hey there folks, how are you? Hope everybody's well. Just a quick little short here to say that I have launched my first zine. It's available as a digital download on my website, and if anybody wants to check it out, I have the link hopefully below. I think that works, and click on it and it'll take you straight there. So it's 36 images of New York, black and white. It's not limited to just Manhattan. It's here in Queens and it's out in Flushing and stuff like that. But yeah, that's it here. And if you do happen to purchase a download, thank you so much for supporting. It means more to me than you will know. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. So this is a first for me. I've never seen the water frozen like this before. That's kind of crazy. The main river is flowing, has some icebergs in it. I say icebergs. It's just ice really. I always loved this old boat over here, but never been able to find a way to photograph it. It has been like minus 20, 25 here on occasion lately, so I can totally understand how it's frozen. And I mean Celsius, by the way. I don't use any of that Fahrenheit nonsense. But yeah. There's also supposed to be blue skies with some clouds today, but as you can see, that hasn't happened. The weatherman currently says that at 2 o'clock we should have blue skies. Came over here to LIC, I thought maybe let's have some fun and play with panoramas, because I've never actually done one. And I thought it might have been cool, so we'll see. Other than that, it'll be just a rambling POV video.